Hopefully you just watched the first half of this two-part series explaining all of the reasons why you should pick up the phone to make sales. Or maybe you already know that you need to start doing it in your business, but you're just trying to figure out exactly how to start picking up the phone and making those calls and closing sales. Hey, it's Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step tutorial of exactly how to start picking up the phone and making sales in your affiliate marketing business, or really almost any online business. Now, this is probably kind of obvious, but just in case, the first step, even a precursor to being able to call your leads, is generating your leads in the first place. And there's tons of different strategies on how to do this. But in general, you're going to need to give a good reason for people to put in their contact information onto a landing page, including their phone number. Now, be aware that whenever you ask for a phone number on a capture page, know that your conversion rate, or the percentage of people who actually submit their information after landing on that page, it's going to decrease. But the people who actually do submit their info, those folks will be much higher quality leads. Now, if you need to learn more just about landing pages, if you're really starting from scratch and need to have that conversation first, no problem. I'm gonna have an info card up here, so as this video ends, you can go to that info card, click on the video. It's gonna teach you all about landing pages and lead generation so that you can get up to speed. So we are starting with you having a lead who's provided their phone number. So now what do? Number one, pick up the phone. This may sound stupid easy, but the first several times that you do this, that phone can feel like 1,000 pounds. You have to learn how to let go of any fear about rejection, what they're gonna say, or how you're gonna do. And that might be easier said than done. Now for me, what really made this easier is knowing that I was learning how to generate leads ongoing, which you should be doing too. So who cares if you totally screw up on today's leads? You call and you freak out or whatever, you hang up on them, it doesn't matter. Or they just plain say no, who cares? Because you're not gonna run into these people at the grocery store, they don't know who you are. You're not gonna run into them in real life, and you're gonna have a whole fresh set of leads that come in tomorrow. So let go of any fear or anxiety about the outcome of the conversation. When I really started to understand this, it enabled me to let go of the anxiety, the worry that I was gonna screw up, that I was gonna screw it up, that they'd say no, or that any possible thing that I couldn't even verbalize was gonna happen that I was worried about. So pick up that phone and start dialing. Number two, when they answer, simply introduce yourself. So how do you introduce yourself? Now, because we have a branded website, I usually use that in my introduction. But say all your leads are coming from YouTube, you could probably say your YouTube channel instead. After I introduce myself, I simply remind them about what they opted into and tell them why I'm calling. So this is how I do it. Hey, Sarah, this is Leah Rae from ToddandLeahRae.com. Just saw that you were checking out our free affiliate marketing training. Wanted to just give you a quick call, see what you have going on, and how we can best help you out. The goal here is to have the posture of a professional and also to help them feel at ease, that you're not just some random telemarketer that's calling to try to sell them something. Number three, start asking questions and get them talking. You want them to tell you about what's going on in relation to your industry. The questions you ask here will be specific to whatever industry you have and what offers that you're providing. But the goal is to figure out what the current situation is, what their goals are, and what struggles are holding them back from attaining those goals. So for me, that sounded something like, so tell me a little bit about what you got going on. And then I wait for an answer. You gotta get comfortable with waiting, with that silence on the phone, and that's okay. Now, most people, especially if they're really struggling, will quickly just open up, like there's just be an open book about what's going on. Others, you may have to dig a little bit and ask some specific questions. So are you currently building an online business or looking to start one? I use this question to figure out if I want to steer them towards a new opportunity or something that could help them succeed with whatever they're already doing in business. So what led you to get started? Or tell me what you're working towards. I use this to get to what their goals are. What are they working towards? I want their goals. So what's holding you back from blank? Whatever that is, if that's quitting their job, being a stay-at-home parent, whatever. And I use this question to figure out what their problem is so I can decide which of my affiliate offers, because I have several, could help them out the most. Number four, offer them a solution to their problem. Simply offer them a way to solve that problem to reach their goal. So for me, I'd say something like, so if I showed you how to start generating quality leads for your online business so you could finally start making that $5,000 a month that you need to quit your job, is that something that you'd be open to taking a look at? So if you pay attention to what I did, I offered them a solution and I reminded them of the goal that they want at the same time. And 99% of people say yes to this. Number 5, I get them the information on the offer. I love using third-party tools like a video that I can send them to explain what's going on. It's way easier and faster than trying to talk to everyone and fully explain the entire offer and what it entails. Most good affiliate marketing programs have something like this, a video or something you can use. So it sounded something like, if I could send you a quick 20-minute video that will lay it all out for you, how soon can you watch? And I wait. We confirm a follow-up appointment and I send them the information. Number 6, the follow-up call. I keep this super simple and I assume the sale. You should really believe in your offer, whatever it is, and know that it really will help them. And that makes this so much easier to do. So I start off by just asking them what they liked. And then I go for the close. So tell me, what did you like best? And I just let them talk. I wait for them to answer and I let them go. Whatever they say, awesome. Excellent. I totally agree. I really like that too. So let's get you started. And I wait patiently for their response. This is the part where the first person who talks usually loses. So just wait. If they're not ready, they're going to tell you. But by going for the close like this, you'll be surprised how many people are like, all right. And now number 7, help them make the purchase. When you follow this step-by-step guide and you practice it and you do it enough so that you've got some good posture, you're going to be surprised at how many people agree to the sale. You've done all the hard work up to this point, but this is the most critical part. Don't waste all that hard work that you've put in. This is where a lot of people actually fail. Instead of sending them the purchase link, hanging up and anxiously waiting for that sale to come in, have them sign up, have them purchase right there on the phone with you. They just agreed, so seal the deal. And don't give them a chance to let that self-doubt and worry, second-guessing, any of that stuff to come into play. So here's how I do it. So do you still have that page open where that video was? Awesome, great. So just click on that yellow button that says Get Started. You got it? Good, awesome. So simply start filling out the information on that page that comes up, and I'll just hold on the phone with you. I'll be working here silently, but I'll be here in case there are any questions that you have as you're filling out the form, okay? Perfect. And after that credit card processes, guys, number 8, congratulate them and tell them what their next steps are. As you wrap up that phone call, you want to leave them excited about that purchase. Help validate that they made a good decision by congratulating them and telling them what their next step should be. Now that could be a page to log into the program they just purchased, an email that they should have received with their getting started steps, or maybe about what day the shipment's gonna arrive. See, it's really just 8 simple steps. Don't overcomplicate this. The only way to get good at it is by doing it. So get cracking. Now, if you prefer to have the selling part of the job done for you, I totally get it, then you need to check out our #1 recommended affiliate marketing program that does a really great job of this. You just bring them the people and they have the great marketing and systems in place to take it from there. So just click the link at the top of our description here, guys, to check out that information. Now, please know that we are rooting for you. We are here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. So if you're new to our channel, you're gonna have to subscribe so that we can help you do that. And make sure to say hi in the comments so that we can welcome you to the community. Again, this is Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com. Head over to this next video and I'll see you soon.